Hare Krishna and welcome everyone to today's lesson on the Sanskrit course. And today I have a very important lesson for you. So this lesson, today's lesson is very critical in the sense we are trying to get our Sanskrit meter right. So meter, the way a shloka is pronounced, that is called meter. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre samaveta yujutsavaha mamakaha pandavaschaiva kimakurvata sanjaya. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre. So let me share the screen here and let me show you how it is pronounced. So now this first verse, for example, the first verse of the Bhagavad Gita, it has, so we can count here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 into 2, lines 32 syllables. So 32 syllables. So this is the most popular arrangement of syllables in the Sanskrit poetry. And the Bhagavad Gita was also written, the Ramayana was also written in this most famous poetry line or meter called as Anustubh. So this is called as Anustubh. So it has 16 letters in one line, then they are divided into 8 each. You stop after 8. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre. So in the Sanskrit to English transliteration, it's even more clear if you see the verses. Dharma kshetre kurukshetre, 8. You have pronounced 8 syllables now. You stop. Samaveta yuyutsavaha mamakaha pandavaschaiva kimakurvata sanjaya. So in this way, if you see, it's divided into 8 syllables each. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is called as Anustubh. And there is a rule. If you find this arrangement along with this rule, if these rules match, then it is called Anusthup Chandas. So we put the Lagu Guru. But all the Lagu Guru matters or not, for the Anusthup rule, that is what I am going to explain today. For the Anusthup rule, what matters is if you see the 1 and 2, the S is the 2, so 1 and the 2. So if the 1 and the 2 as given here matches, then it is called as Anusthup Chandas. Then it's called as Anusthup Chanda. So the 1 and 2, the Lagu and Guru, according to the rule, if it matches, then it is Anusthup Chanda. So what is that rule? Let us see. And this applies for all the verses, the 646 verses of the Bhagavad Gita. So, Shloke Shashtam Guror Jneyam. So, you divide this 8 and 8 verses, the Bhagavad Gita, 8 and 8 syllables, every line. So I have divided Dharma Kshetre, Kurukshetre. If you see, there is a slash. So 1, Dharma, Dha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So similarly, 8 here, and 8 here, and 8 here. So put a slash after 8. So it says, Shloke Shashtam Gurodneyam. So Shashtam means the 6th one. So 6th one should be Guru. If it has to be Anusthup Chanda, the 6th of each of the 8 should be Guru. So let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 6th one is Ru. Right? So the Ru is a Guru here. So similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6th one, U, should be Lagu, but because it's before a half Sa, so it's a Guru. So the first 2 lines satisfy the condition. It is every 6th letter is Guru. Now let's go here. Ma, Ma, Ka, 3, 4, Pa, Nda. 5. Sixth one, Va. You see? So that one is Guru. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa should have been Lagu, but Nja. So because it's before Nja, Vyanjanakshara, Sanyukta Vyanjanakshara, Sanyukta, because it's a combination. So then Sa becomes Guru again, according to the rule. So similarly, we can mark it here also. Dharma Kshetre Kuru. So the sixth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ru. Kuru. So this one becomes Guru here. So 1, 2, Samavita. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Difficult to count in English. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. U. U. The second U. So that becomes the Guru. The sixth one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the sixth one here? It is Pandavascheva. 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 Very difficult to make out in the transliteration because the way in English you need a few letters to make up that one Sanskrit letter. Kima Kurvata San Sa. The Sa is the sixth letter. Sa. So it becomes Guru. Okay, let's go there. Okay. Now, what is the next rule here? So the Shashta became Guru. Sarvatra Lagu Panchamam. The fifth one should be Lagu. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Ku. The Ku should be Lagu. Ku. Okay. Is Lagu. It's small. Okay. U. So U is before a U. Small letter. So it's a small letter. Lagu. The fifth one. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Panda, Nda. So it's a small. So Y is a, but Nda is small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one is again Ta, the small Ta before the Sa. So it holds good. So it's Lagu. So you see, if you apply all the 646 verses, which are the Anustubh, then this rule will work, should work. And the last one, Sarvatra Lagu Panchamam. So the sixth one is Guru in everyone, and fifth one is Lagu in all the four quarters, Padah. First Padah, second Padah, third Padah, and fourth Padah. So they are called four Padas. So the first Padah is, in the first Padah, fifth one is Lagu, sixth one is Guru. Same applies to all the Padas. Okay. So similarly, we can mark it on your own. You can mark it here. Dharma is the fifth one. So the letter should match. So in this case, the fifth letter is, for example, Dharma Kshetre Ku, Ku, Ku. It's pretty difficult to mark it in transliteration though. As you can see, you have to read that and mark it here. So we have to get used to the Sanskrit letters. Because the Vyanjanakshara, the Sanyukta Vyanjana, Sanja, you see the Anja, you can see here, but you cannot see anything in the transliteration. So that's the problem with the transliteration, is it's a little difficult to find out. So of course the Va is there. Pandavas Chaiva, Kima Kurvata Sanjaya. So here you find the Njaya. So if you know the Sanskrit, it's much better. The Sanskrit letters itself, you have to kind of get used to if you have to do the English part, because to divide the exact letters it takes a little bit of practice. Okay, anyway, so we got this rule. So two in each are done. Okay, so in each Pada we got two letters. The fifth one is Lagu, sixth one is Guru, fifth Lagu, sixth Guru, fifth Lagu, sixth Guru, fifth Lagu, sixth Guru. Okay, what about the other rules? So you see, it says Dvichatuhu. Dvichatuhu. Dvichatuhu, that is that. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So Dvichatuhu is some microphone issue. So anyways, Dvichatuhu means the second and fourth pada. The second and fourth pada. Padahyo raswam. So in the, which one? In the second and fourth one, the seventh one should be laghu. Saptamam. Okay. So that's Saptamam, the seventh one, Sava. So that is the second and fourth pada. Sa, one. Nja, that's also small letter. So it's all laghu. Then then that is Saptamam. So the seventh one in the second and fourth was laghu. Now in the first and third, Dirga Manyayo. Okay. For the first and third, it should be Guru. So Kshe and Shchai. So you can see I, it's Guru again. Kshe, it's Guru again. So we can see here very clearly that the rule applies here in the Bhagavad Gita. It holds good. So you can do the same when you read the transliteration also. I'm sharing this document with all of you, and it will be easy for you to, I've already marked, so you can do the transliteration also. Take a bit of time. There's one more rule I've included in the beginning. I've taken a screenshot from Panchamam Lagu Sarvatra Saptamam Dvi Chaturthayoho Shashtam Guru Vijaniya Detat Padyasya Lakshanam. Padya. So that is for Padya. Padya means for a song, for Anusthup Chandas. Panchamam Lagu Sarvatra. The fifth one is Lagu everywhere. Saptamam Dvi Chaturtayoho. For the second and fourth, it will be the seventh also. Shashtam Guru Vijaniya. So the sixth one is Guru everywhere. Detat Padyasya Lakshanam. So I've included this verse also, but this one is more clear. Shloke Shashtam Gurordneyam Sarvatra Lagu Panchamam Dvichatuhu Padayo Raswam Saptamam Dhirga Manyayoho. So that means if you apply this rule very, very clearly, all the shlokas, 646 shlokas. So you have to learn this rule clearly. If you learn this rule, then it's easy. Then all the other Lagu Guru we will mark. So tomorrow when we meet, we will mark all the Lagu Guru of all the others also. But I want you to apply this rule for now. Take a few shlokas of the Bhagavad Gita and apply this rule. Mark this Lagu Guru and get familiar with it. Okay. Thank you so much. I'm sharing this here. Hare Krishna.